Welcome to another series of our site updates. We are at Zuri Residences. I'm the site engineer. My name is Mbai Okeno. Now we are at the 13th floor regarding the plaster work. Last month we were at floor number 11. We are left with 2 floors, that's floor number 14 and floor number 15. So in a couple of weeks we are going to finish the 14th and 15th floor plastering works, and immediately we are embarking on tile laying from mezzanine going up to the last floor. So here we are doing floor screeding. Floor screeding is a sand cement cover that covers the floor slab. That makes the slab flat, and it is the surface that receives the tile for the final finish. So as we do floor screeding, we ensure 2 things. First, the ratio of the sand and cement is in a ratio of 1:3. Then also the levels. We ensure the toilet level is 1 inch lower than the main bedroom level to ensure that there is no water movement from the bathroom into the main room. Last month, we had done 2 floors regarding the wall skimming. Right now, we have done 2 more floors. Now we have a total of 4 floors with the skimming work. We are planning in a couple of few weeks, as we are also proceeding with the floor screeding. We are doing skimming work and they are running concurrently. Skimming, as you can see, it is the first treatment on a plastered wall. It serves 2 basic purposes: sealing the wall cracks during plaster, and now it offers a surface to receive paint, which is going to be the final coat of the finished wall. We are at 14th floor. Regarding the plumbing works, we have mounted all the units with the plumbing pipelines. This is for the wash and basin. This is for the shower. These are waste stack pipes, and these are the drainage pipes. So before we do our plastering, we must also ensure our plumbing pipings are in place and pressure test conducted and all leakages worked on. As you can see, our pipes have got water. We are conducting the pressure test on them before we do plastering. So this is our 14th floor. Regarding the electrical work, we've done the wall sockets, the switches, and the central lights. As you can see, we are ready to start plastering work in this unit. All this pipe work for the electrical must be in place and be tested before the plaster work can proceed. So right now we are done with electrical droppings. That has been our progress for the month of March. Thank you for staying tuned. We'll keep you posted for the next update.